everyone! Welcome back to another travel show. So, andito na tayo ngayon sa Sofitel, Manila. But first, let me show you the room. Wow! They have coffee, tea, sugar. Alright, then you can use this for if you want to drink wine. Oh, they have kettle. They have mini fridge bar. Ayan, may safe siya. Yan, may iron sila guys. Yan yung dapat talaga mga hotel. May mga iron may mga iron boards and irons. So, this is their toilet. And their shower room. Ayan. Okay. Doon tayo mamaya mag-shower pagka lagkit na yung pakiramdam natin. So, as for the room, it's very okay for me. Air conditioning nila, lalo na ngayon sa tag-init, hindi siya ganun kalamig. Pero, dahil binuksan ko rin to, I can still enjoy the fresh air. Somehow, it's like, get away from the city. Kasi nasa gilid ng dagat to sa may tabing dagat. So guys, I got the room for 6,000 pesos. So I got it from Agoda, which they have something 49% of discount. It should be all worth it. It's good, it's fine. You're not gonna get this price anywhere in the city. Good deal siya. So the staff, they are very accommodating. It took us a while to check in because there was a very long queue. Kasi maraming, alam mo na, kasi level 1 na so marami yatang nagbabakasyon ngayon. Wow, ganda dito, grabe oh. Medyo mainit-init ngayon, nasa 33 degrees ata ngayon, pero mahangin siya. Pwede ka naman din tumambay dito kahit mainit kasi sobrang hangin oh. Enjoy mo lang yung view. Ganda dito guys. Itong hotel na to, isa ito sa pinaka-sikat or high-end na hotel dito sa Metro Manila. Yung hotel nila, medyo na siya, syempre luma na. Hindi katulad ng mga modern hotel ngayon. Gagawin natin ngayon, explore natin yung sa baba, yung pinaka nila talaga, yung pinaka magandang view nila nung hotel na ito, which is yung amenities nila, poolside, and we're gonna enjoy there later. I'll see you later, okay? is the lagoon-shaped pool. And they also have the side pool bar right there. And they also have kiddie pool. Yung mga slides nila for kids, maybe for adults also, maganda. So yung kiddie pool nila, sobrang mag-enjoy yung mga kids pag nag-swimming sila. Parang meron silang play pool. Sobrang parang may bahay-bahay sila sa kiddie pool. Tsaka may slide sila, tsaka meron silang mga shower-shower. For sure mag-enjoy yung mga bata dito. Meron silang sunset bar. You can order from them. So, pag di nyo pa trip maligo, kung tinatamad kayo, pwede kayong mag-relaxing dito. Actually, ito yung pinakamaganda. For me this is the bestest area around here, dito sa Sofitel na to. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko talagang tambayan. Pwede ka magantay until the sunset with your lover para mas romantic or your family. Ito talaga yung pinaka-purpose ng mga pamilyang nag-staycation dito, yung mag-swimming sila kasi ang ganda ng pool nila. Yung mga kids, sobrang enjoy na enjoy. Yung dalawa kong anak, grabe, enjoy na enjoy sila kasi nagsislide sila. Sarap. Yung beef brisket nila is very tender. Barbecue siya eh. Sobrang sarap. Ito. Mexican. Yummy. Or yucky. Yummy, syempre.
Dada! Your camera is looking at you!
I can eat this all day long. Pero syempre, diet ako eh. So yun guys, it's highly recommended for you guys to come and visit and enjoy the amenities of Sofitel. Sobrang, for me sabi ko nga kanina, my gosh, 1 day staycation is not enough. For kids especially. Hindi sila magsasawa doon sa swimming pool nila na sobrang nakaka-enjoy kasi meron silang slides. And if you want to have a relaxation day or, like take a break, you can come here. Then, pwede kang tumambay dito sa seaside nila. Grabe, sobrang nakakamangha. This is basically like a hotel. It's like a resort. Pero it's actually hotel. Pero maganda yung talaga nila, amenities. Sa Sunset Bar, ang sarap ng mga food sila dito. At saka yung mga cocktails nila, talagang special. So the must try here, actually, I tried the Korean chicken, spicy gochujang. Yeah. At saka I also tried their beef brisket. So for me, the room's cleanliness, siguro hindi siya hindi siya 5-star pa para sa akin yung cleanliness niya. But let's give them a chance to improve it more. Kasi kakabukas lang din naman nila dahil sa pandemic. So yun guys, I enjoyed a lot overall. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. And see you again next time on another travel show. Bye-bye! Sana may mahulog na niyog. Mahulog ka na niyog. Tapos iinumin kita. Wow. Sitting? Yeah. Or double. Ow!